Turanga FM Parakuihi Show online with Matai and Rahia. Tomo mai, e wera te kai.
Iwa te kaumatahi I ra whitu ki te iarere, iwa te kaumatahi I ra whitu ki te ipurangi. Turanga FM Parakuihi Show on air and online with Rahia and, well, not Matai, but he will be back apopo. Atamari e he kamano mai rā ki Parakuihi ko te rua te kaumawaru o painga whawha tēnei ko Rahia tumutumu ahau. Guys, I have an announcement to make, guys. I put my back out. I picked up my son and kua pakaru te tuara. But that's what happens when you train too hundi. And I may need to visit Rest, Float and Spa to get my body sorted. As our avid viewers know, we visited Rest last year and experienced their float pods. But did you know they've added new features since we last went on Parakuihi? I knew that, and we'll show everyone their new services a little later on Parakuihi. But right now, here's the latest Kaitimo local news.
Tai oro, ngā tai pito pito o te tai rāwhiti.
Mōrena e he kama e heke mai ana te wero tua whā kia ara I te tangata I te mate kōwhiori. Ki konei ki te tai rāwhiti nei e aki ana kia whakamātauria koe, mena e rongo ana koe I te māwiwitanga. Hei tā te tāhuhu mō hauora tai rāwhiti hei tā Jim Green. Rua te kaupaihi ni te noiho o ngā tāngata no Turanga nei kua rehi tatia I o rātou whakamātautau I te wā I pāngia rātou e te mate kōwhiori. Ko etahi tāngata e rongo ana I te māwiwitanga, engari kaore rātou I te whakamātautau I a rātou anō, ko etahi atu e whakamātautau ana, engari ka noho puku. A kā te koiranga kaitimoa Parakuihi ko Rahia tumutumu ahau, a tamari.
Parakuihi tahi kia Matai raua ko Rahia. 91.7 on air and online.
I love going for floats at Rest, so I'm actually booked in today to go for another one. The last time I went, I was with Marts. I was in the compression boots and Matai, well, he was getting his teeth whitened. Their prices for this service, for teeth whitening, are far better than any other place I've been to, and their results are amazing. Here is our story on Rest, Float and Spa.
Whatever floats your boat. Oh, and this certainly floats our boat. That's why we've come back. Ko hoki mai anō māua ki float with Karen and the lovely Kylie. Kia ora, Kylie. Nice to be back.
Kia ora. Nice to have you guys here once again.
We love it here, don't we?
We do. The last time we came here, we came for a rest, literally in the pod. But now we're back here for a couple of other, wow, special kaupapa.
So, well, for you, Matai, we're going to be doing one of our new services, so teeth whitening. And for you, Rahia, we will be doing your favourite, the Normatec compression therapy.
I'm going to get big glutes and big hammies and big bomb. And so I've been doing a lot of lower body weights and then here, mai tēnei.
And we should probably go and head in and start the process.
I had my teeth whitened about 2 weeks ago and I actually thought I had white teeth. And then when I saw my before and after, I was like, holy! Yeah, I think they went about 7 shades whiter or 6 shades whiter. But yeah, I just need a touch up, but that'll happen later on. Looking forward to seeing Martz's results though. Father's is the first time. Like you can't hear him because he can't talk. Look.
So we'll put a thin layer over each tooth. And then once each tooth is covered, we'll then turn the light on and let it work its magic basically. Pretty much we're just going to leave this here for about 16 minutes. Mm-hmm. And that'll just, well, the light's basically just going to start to break down that gel. Mm-hmm. And it'll just start to oxidise those stains.
I love coming to Rest because not only is there obviously the floats and also the sauna, but in this room here all the magic happens, so you can get your teeth whitened and you can also wear the compression boots. The boots are the best if you've been training a lot.
Yeah, they're great for eliminating the lactic waste. So, you know, when you do stair climbs or anything heavy on your legs and you get jelly legs, This basically pushes all the waste up and out to your body.
It's like a massage, and just think of it, massage is like that and then kind of slowly lets go. So not only does it feel nice, but it's also good for your body.
So if you just hold that up and then you can have a look and just see what the difference is.
Oh, actually, I'll swap hands, eh?
Yep.
Oh my god!
Oh!
Wow!
Holy, and I didn't even, like, it was the actual colour of your tooth, like I wasn't even being
That's
mean.
amazing. Yeah, there's a clear difference in there. Oosh!
Holy.
Don't like that. How can you be annoying when it's real white?
Whoa.
Kylie's about to put the before and after together, side by side, with the magic of television. Take a look at this.
Just to reaffirm, Mart's only had a double treatment done and he got those results. Imagine a triple treatment. That rest also can do as well. Ka pai. Our story tomorrow are on people who would love to go to rest and float in their pods after last weekend. I went to the Tiny White Day on Saturday and I got to watch our best rugby players in Gisborne. I also met All Blacks coach Ian Foster. We'll have to wait until tomorrow to see that story on the All Blacks coach and also the first round of rugby for the Poverty Bay competition. But for now, hea popo!
Parakuihi tahi kia Matai raua ko Rahia, 91.7 on air and online.